rented a car and we are on our way to the Doi Suthep Temple. And this is the winding road that everyone is talking about. I think it must be a lot of fun with a GS motorbike.
Let's do that.
Driving through a small Thai village here in the mountains.
In 100 meters, turn right. In 100 meters, turn left.
We are about to enter Doi Suthep Temple.
Wat Pratat Doi Suthep can be approached by climbing through 106 very steep stairs. It is flanked by tremendous mythical nagas which symbolizes humanity's progress from earth to nirvana.
The famous Doi Suthep. Anybody, Megan, you want to go in with me? This is what can't go in.
That people are always so tempted to push the bell when they say do not push the bell. Why are you always so tempted to do something when it says do not do it?
Maybe you don't understand it correctly. It's not supposed to push it, but you can ring it.
Oh, okay.
Yes, the real reason why everybody comes here. Doi Suthep, and it's all about the viewpoint, I guess. You can see the aeroplanes take off, and you can see the whole of Chiang Mai from up here. Actually quite nice. Yeah, and there's the airport.
Wat Pratat Doi Suthep was built in 1383. It is located 15 kilometers from the city and 3,500 feet above sea level. Why is it an Asian elephant?
Almost like us. Your turn, Kayla. I'm not good. You can't
Ring
do
the
it.
bell. It's not that difficult. Well done.
I got it.
I think you're getting a nice sausage. That's actually just a collection of rice inside. I don't think there's any meat inside.
America,
South Africa.
Africa.
Africa, yeah.
Beautiful.
Bar means kapung chow.
Just been informed in Bangkok they say Kop Kum Ka. In Chiang Mai it's Kop Kum Chao.
And Bangkok is Kop Kum Kok. Of Kop Kum Bang, which one?
If you carry on just about 400 meters past Doi Suthep, then you get to this park, which is also a place that you can stay over for the night. It looks beautiful. clean. It looks like there's bungalows or something around here where you can actually stay over for the night. Or just come and have a picnic. We just stopped now, had a lovely view over Chiang Mai town. And it's really nice. But this is what the inside looks like. And you can also do some camping here. See, there's a campers hanging out here. It looks so beautiful. And the air is very crisp and clean and it's cool. It's lovely weather. It doesn't feel hot or humid at all. And now we are off to the Hmong Village to go and eat some strawberries. We hear there's the sweetest strawberries you'll ever taste there. The roads here are extremely narrow. And we are arriving in Hmong Village.
Nice coffee. Hmong Village here in the mountains just past Doi Suthep, and it's basically just like a little market type of thing here in the middle of nowhere, where you can buy things at the locals. And this is what the village people wear. Very interesting dresses and very distinct. You will be able to distinguish them in the crowd or recognize them in the crowd. All village clothes. So if you're in the mood for something different, this is the place to come and buy. And look, there's a village child looking for an elephant dress. Lovely, please don't do it either. I'm tired. As you want. One thing you do at this village is to eat strawberries, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So instead of going to the strawberry farm, we're just gonna get strawberries here. No sugar. No sugar. Here you go. Thank you. Kop kun kap. Taste one. Tell the camera what you think.
Tastes good.
Divine. Worth it. Worth the walk. Let me have one.
Okay.
Right, I'm gonna have one as well.
Other sugar is right.
She doesn't like it with the sugar. She likes it without the sugar.
Without the sugar.
Hmm.
Sweet.
Very delicious.
Yes.
It tastes good. Must we get one? Okay.
And guess what we're having again? Koi soy. Cow soy.
Hey,
It's all fish, all
who
fish.
ordered pepper with it?
Not me. What's this village called? At the village we're eating cow soy again. And it's a madhouse in this family. Because there's pepper on the fried rice. And that's the reaction for having pepper on your fried rice. I've told you ladies, you must learn to eat spicy food. That's how it works in this country. Ah, okay. Don't fear when daddy is near.
If you do that,
Opinion?
Good.
take out.
It looks spicy. I can see in your eyes, it looks spicy.
I've just had one big piece of raw onion.
No, is
What
it?
did you order to drink?
And I'm having the Penang curry.
Beautiful.
Penang curry. That's what I'm having. Enjoy, ladies. Is it nice?
Good.
Extra botano.
Once again, cow soy didn't disappoint, did it?
Excellent.
Excellent. That's it for our village walk. We headed further into the mountains. Kopung Kap.
See, it's the first time that we see the soccer ball adjustments. And I'm going to throw this in the soccer ball, and it is actually the soccer ball. And this is just a toy. Bye. Try the videos. If you want to try the videos and Megan the magic channel, just click the like button. The like button is over right there.